I have come here to sell the gold because we are in a very financial crisis due to the pandemic. Just to meet our expenses, I don't have any other option rather than selling the gold. I don't know what to do, how this is going to be. And just we have, our businesses are shut and I don't know how further we'll carry. And the gold is the only thing which is able to get us money at midnight also. At present, I am able to just survive. I don't know what's going to be further.
से ना तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 है 80 ग्राम्स के आसपास होगा 70 to 80 ग्राम्स सोना का टूटा है हाँ इट इज कम डाउन लकी है जो लोग ले रहे हैं इस समय अच्छी लगी I have a record of a recycled gold which is called as a old gold. It was around 234 tons of the gold was sold in last this pandemic period. Usually India is a big importer. After China, India import around 800 to 900 tons. But now the story was different. Import has come down. The reason was that the gold were people were coming to sell the gold.